Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're coming with 10 cruise essentials that you'll need to pack for your next cruise. Now, if you don't know what to pack, you don't know where to start, you don't know what to do, don't worry. I have a free cruise checklist and I also have an Amazon packing essentials list, and I'll have it linked down below. And also, everything I talk about today will also be linked down below. So let's get into it. All right, number one, luggage tags. So when it comes to you booking a cruise and you're getting ready for embarkation, they are going to send you your boarding pass information, and it's going to include your luggage tags. Now, me personally, I don't care for stapling it because paper is paper and it can rip easily. I prefer to get a luggage tag. That way it's clear, it's solidified, and you can read it clearly, and I don't have to worry about it potentially ripping off my suitcase. And even with my luggage tag, I still also like to print an extra copy of my luggage tag and put it in my suitcase. Number two, a lanyard. Now, to me, this is the most important item that you need because that lanyard holds your sign and sail card. And that sign and sail card is your life on the entire ship. On my second cruise, my husband had a great idea. So I was putting my sign and sale card in the little plastic tab that it comes with, but our sign and sale cards had a hole punched through it. So he was putting his sign and sale card on the lanyard itself, and in the plastic pouch, he was putting his ID and his credit card. And I thought that was genius. I was like, yes, you got everything. You don't have to worry about carrying a wallet at all, nothing. So yes, lanyards make it so much easier to carry around your lanyard and anything else that you need to carry around while you're on the ship. Number three, a multi-port outlet that is cruise approved. For those of you who don't know, in your stateroom is most likely only going to be one plug. One plug. That's just not going to work, okay? Between chargers, blow dryers, camera equipment, whatever else that you need to plug up electric wise, like one plug is just not going to do it. So this multi-port outlet gives you those extra plugs. It comes with the regular plug outlets along with a couple USB A's and a USB C. So if you're sharing a room with someone, it's going to make it a lot easier for you guys to both use your electrical devices, charge it, whatever it is, blow dryer. It's going to make it a lot easier for you too. Number four, a mini fan. Okay, this one is not necessarily super essential, but if you're somebody like me who likes to stay cool, this will work in your favor. So sometimes the staterooms are not that cool, even if you mess with the thermostat. It'll be on the lowest setting, but it don't feel that low. And you probably can tell your steward that, hey, it doesn't feel that cold, and they can probably fix it. But if not, a fan will also help. This mini fan has a regular USB port. You can plug it into the multi-port outlet. And it's small, but it's powerful, okay? And that's all I need sometimes, is that little extra gusto in, especially if you don't have a balcony. Number five, a portable charger. So this is really essential, I think, more for port days than anything, but you can also use it around the ship. On port day, especially, you're at least likely going to be around plugs, especially if you're going on an excursion that's outdoor, that's in water or around water. So it'll be best for you to have a portable charger and have it with you just in case your phone gets low. And that's what happened to me on my port day in Cozumel. Most of the day I was on my phone because we were waiting for our excursion. That got pushed back, and that's another story that I will tell on another date. So I was on my phone, and on top of that, I had signal in Cozumel because I didn't get the Wi-Fi package. That's also another story. I'll tell these later. So therefore, I was on my phone for a very long time. From the time I got off the ship to the time I needed to get back to the ship, my phone died. And thankfully, my husband had our portable charger and a charging port that fit for my phone. So yeah, if you don't want to potentially be stuck phoneless in port day, please bring a portable charger. You can also use it around the boat when you're around the ship, when you're walking around, but usually you're not really on your phone that much when you're on the ship. Number six, a waterproof phone case. Along with the portable charger, it'll be great to have a waterproof phone case, especially if you're doing a water excursion. So, if you want to make sure that you're able to get your pictures in the water or under the water, or if you're just a clumsy person and you just don't want to potentially put your phone in the ocean or whatever body of water, these waterproof cases are gonna come in handy. And you still get good camera quality. Number seven, a reusable water bottle or cup. So just floating around that ship, it's huge. You're gonna be doing a lot of walking, a lot of steps are gonna get put in, and you're gonna be thirsty. Having a reusable water bottle or cup is just gonna come in handy for you. So you don't have to worry about trying to figure out where you gotta get your next drink from and where you gotta go, blah blah blah. That, and between those plastic cups and those sugar straws, No. So yes, pack a reusable water bottle. There's complimentary water, ice, lemonade, tea at all times. There's orange juice, apple juice, and all kind of juices in the morning. So you can always refill at any time and stay hydrated. And one way to help you stay hydrated is number 8. Liquid IV. So liquid IV is to help get your electrolytes in so you can stay hydrated, especially if you've been doing a lot of drinking, but it'll help you stay hydrated. You can put it in that reusable water bottle or cup and drink away. Now, I'm going to say this. If I had known what I knew now, I would have only put like a half a pack in my water cup because that stuff is strong. Okay, it was strong. I got strawberry lemonade, I think, but oh my goodness, it was strong. So had I known, I would have did a half a pack at a time and drunk it like that. But that's okay. Number 9, Dramamine or any motion sickness medicine, period. Y'all, this second go around, that boat was rocking. And it was because a lot of stuff happened. Again, I will talk about this cruise in another video. But a lot of stuff was happening. So there was a lot of speeding going on. Therefore, there was a lot of rocking going on. And even on that last day, a lot of people got seasick because it was just that rough. I had that bottle of Dramamine and I was passing it out like candy because that's just how hard those waves and that rocking was hitting everybody. Please pack some motion sickness medicine. And if you're not a fan of the medicine itself, there are patches, there are wristbands, there are so many other alternatives that you can also use that will help you with motion sickness. And it's best to take it early because once you get seasick, it's kind of hard. It take a little longer to kind of wear out the effects. But if you take it as a preventive measure every morning or every afternoon, whatever the case may be, you're going to have a better chance of not getting seasick. And last but not least, a laundry bag. So this one is just mainly for your room. This is to help you separate your dirty clothes from your clean clothes. So you can have a place for them to be put away and they're not all out all over the place or just in a pile in the corner. It's in a nice little neat bag. And so that way when you're done and you're ready to leave your cruise and you pack everything up, you know what your dirty clothes are. Especially when you're wearing bathing suits. And even if you let them hang to dry, they still be like a little bit damp. You know what I'm saying? So these laundry bags just come in handy to keep those clothes separated. You don't want those sweaty clothes, those wet clothes with your dry, clean clothes. All right, so those were my 10 cruise essentials that you need to pack for your next cruise. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I would love to know. Comment down below. Also, if you made it this far, comment down below what's your favorite cruise line or your favorite cruise ship. I would love to know. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye. Happy cruising.